In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build your first 3 ClickUp Super Agents, step by step. We're going to set up 3 complementary ClickUp AI agents that can team up to save you time, reduce back and forth, and bring consistency to your workflows. I'll walk you through where to click, what to write, and how to think about each agent so they support each other effectively. Start by opening ClickUp in your browser and heading into your workspace. Make sure you're signed in and that ClickUp AI is available on your plan. Give the page a moment to load so the AI features initialize properly. Next, open the AI section. Depending on your layout, you'll find it in the left sidebar or under the AI tab. This is your control center for creating and managing agents. If you don't see it right away, expand the sidebar or use the search bar to locate AI. Inside the AI area, choose Create Agent. This opens the setup panel where your agent's behavior is defined. Think of an agent as a specialized teammate you program with a clear job description and operating instructions. Now type the prompt for the first agent you need. Be specific and action-oriented. Start with the role and goal, like you are a content planner who turns ideas into structured task lists. Add context the agent will rely on, such as your audience, tone, and any constraints. Describe the exact output format you want. Bulleted steps, a table-like summary, or a checklist, and provide a short example so the agent knows what good looks like. Include guardrails too, like what the agent should not do, and how it should ask for clarification if information is missing. The clearer the prompt, the more reliable the results. With one solid agent in place, create 2 more so they can collaborate. Design each prompt to complement the others. For example, one agent can be a researcher that synthesizes inputs into concise briefs. A second can be a planner that converts briefs into actionable tasks with estimates and owners. And a third can be a reviewer that audits tone, accuracy, and completeness before handoff. In each prompt, explain how that agent consumes the previous agent's output and what it should produce next. Keep roles distinct, outputs consistent, and instructions concise. If you reference templates or fields, describe them plainly so the agents align on structure. That's it. You've built your first 3 ClickUp Super Agents. Test them together, review their outputs, and refine your prompts for clarity and consistency. Small tweaks go a long way, and soon your agents will feel like dependable teammates baked into your daily workflow.